So myself Dinesh. I'm a RPA technical lead and dev lead. Currently I'm working with HCL Technologies. Trying to participate every day at least 30 minutes so that I can contribute something to the Automation Anywhere community. We started doing some POC related to the document automation. So the document automation has some of the generative AI features. So we done a couple of POC, and we do have some backlogs for the generative AI related use cases. So that is in the pipeline actually. Worked on multiple projects. So the interesting one is a web automation for the PDF automation. So using that particular use case, we extracted more than 1 lakh document. So and we had around 80 percentage of the data has been extracted fully. So that's a really interesting project for me. Anywhere tool is a great tool actually. So even the non-technical person can easily understand. Even I was started from the non-technical, and then later I converted my profile into Automation Anywhere. So I have been using Automation Anywhere for more than 7 years actually. So it is really interesting. Even I encourage a non-technical person to do automation things, automation related courses, and then they can start developing the skills. It would be a time travel, Norway, and then Switzerland. So without phone, I can't imagine. So I won the Automation Anywhere hackathon in, I think it is 2021. So from non-technical person to converting into a technical, and then winning the hackathon is a really big thing. So if I am able to do it, then anybody can do it. So it is easy.